Hey, it's Ariana
and Hannah,
and today we have the Unicorn Racing Design angle kit that we will be installing on the E90 behind us.
they are professionally TIG welded,
And they make up for the E90 and E80 BMWs.
and you can obtain 50 degrees of angle with this kit.
And they actually spent a lot of time designing these and making them, so they are track tested and track proven.
And they can be done at home with everyday tools.
And Unicorn Racing Designs will be making more great and affordable parts for the E90 chassis, so we're super excited for that. Stay tuned, and we'll be installing these now.